Jack.
I got.
Yeah.
I got Brother Fields right here.
You getting it today, mister. You getting it today, mister.
Yeah.
Had to pull up on Big G, man, because he pulled me out the house.
I better get wife right.
Yeah, because he don't want to act right. Big G, Big G don't want to act right.
I'm just trying to spend some bread with you.
What's going on, y'all?
Yeah. Waiting on West Coast hit me up. Guys, I ain't gonna pick my car back up.
Okay.
Some boo-boos on it. I told him, I said, damn. I went with the color you picked for me. Although I gave you the color I picked, but the color you picked harder. I said, just fix the boo-boos for me.
Let's fix the boo-boos, man.
On my hood right here, up the crease.
I got some boo-boos too.
You can see, yeah, but you ain't just come out of the rap shop. That joint right here, you can still see the gray. He ain't even left the joint over nothing.
Okay.
He don't take care of that. What you got going on?
I'm gonna go to the house, man.
You going fuck out in the park tomorrow?
I don't know. I don't really like that park, bro.
Yeah, I don't like that. I'm gonna dip through in my.
I don't really like that joint.
I'm gonna come up out that motherfucker. Catch me one more Cashapp, probably. What do you call it? DOD or something.
Oh, the DOD delete.
Yeah, get a delete. Yeah, dude told me, I think 400 the tuning and put the spark plug and everything in it. I missed that big motherfucker, that thing.
Yeah. Man, y'all stay tuned, man, because Big G said that he gonna have me come. Hold on, man, we dog. Big G said that he gonna have me come around here, man, and record the fleet, man.
Come on, you wanna go back there?
The fleet was gonna be on the.
Hold on, let me go.
Alright, sneak peek. Sneak peek. We finna get a few of them now. We gonna get a few of them now. It ain't but like 3 back here. It's 3 of 3 million. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. Alright, man. We walking in the backyard, man. In the backyard.
In the backyard.
And I must say, there's a whole bunch of shit going on back here. You know what I'm saying? He got more cars than I done dreamed of.
We got Big Joe.
So, man, I'm finna turn this camera around. Man. Let y'all see what's going on. Man, this man got so many cars. Like, y'all know I done started doing these everyday vlogs, right? So, he got enough cars for me to do a vlog every day on each car. And a weekend. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, yeah, I got, man, look, I got 2 weeks of footage right here in the backyard. Day for day. Huh?
We locked and loaded back.
Day for day, man. So, all right, I'm gonna start in the front, man. That's crazy. I'm gonna start in the front. And I'm gonna let him tell y'all what's going on. I'm gonna turn the camera around. Finna get it like that.
Motor right there from my boy Memphis Mike the 30th.
Memphis Mike the 30th. That's the nigga with the red kind.
Yeah, that's that nigga with that pretty shiny turtle. That always running from Purple Rain.
Dang.
M35. This wife of John Faye Beezy.
Yeah.
We got Big Perk.
Big Perk.
We got the legend Dolph.
We got Dolph.
Big Joe.
Big Joe.
We got Sexy Lexus, that girl.
Y'all see these things boated too, right? Like y'all, you know what I'm saying? Stop playing now. This is the top freshly done on this, man.
Yeah, top freshly done.
Yes.
Top freshly done. Light gray. Light gray.
Y'all see what's going on? Can't see it now. I would put it out in the sun.
We got the LS 460, 6 Alexa, 26X. Compliments of the male rock.
Yeah.
We got Purple Rain.
This what to do with the red car running from?
Yeah, that's who Mike the 30th running from.
Okay. Mr. Mike. Hey, Mr. Mike.
This is Mr. Mike is running from.
Oh, Mr. Mike. You say you're running. Too much running.
We got the Butterbeer back there, 85. 36,000 miles.
85 Bunny.
Inside. Compliments of my boy KB8. Y'all look my boy KB8 up.
I ain't like it been set on it now.
Man, I ain't cleaner than a new diaper. We got the 87 box back there that's next up for Black Boy 88. And we'll be going to see Black Boy 88 after my blue box shit will come out.
Yeah.
I'm glad it's ain't here. She down there in Elite Auto Customs getting some touch-ups.
Okay, yeah. I knew something was missing.
This next up. This wifey jump right here. She finna get sprayed for her 40th birthday. So y'all be looking out for Faye Beezy. Again, this is, we got your Duce.
He says the love lounge going on back here, man. You got the Duce, you got your hookah, you got your white hen, you got your pillows, your mink pillows. You know what I'm saying?
It's real PI, man. What's up to my boy 901 Golden, man?
Uh-oh.
Yes, sir.
Shout out those Scan, man. Y'all hear those M10 Scan. That's my dog, man. Painted this junk.
They painted this junk, they painted purple line.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, okay.
First one, that's the one they started to get the
right.
recognition off that one.
Right. This be motherfucker here, man. But I ain't gonna show y'all too much, man, cause I gotta come back and do these junks, you know what I'm saying, the right way, but man, hey. Stop playing, man. You said Miss Gladys. I heard that's the other vert, right?
Yeah, that's my 88 Fleetwood.
Okay. Yeah. The gray one. Yeah.
Yeah, that's on
Yeah, you trying in blue now. Yes, sir. So what you finna do with that one back there?
That's my head. That's on 20 years. I'm finna put a mean bag in that junk.
Oh, okay.
I'm put a mean bag in that junk. I'm gonna LS swap it. Jazz said he finna start doing inside bills, so I let Jazz do the whole inside. Seats, carpet, headliner, music, everything.
Yeah.
And then I gonna drop the junk off to get sprayed. And the old trusted homemade Bentley back there, the Chrysler 300.
Yeah.
Folks asked to buy it, I just can't go. So y'all see me in my van, the green jungle green van. I will be the man in the van this winter.
The man in the van.
The man in the van with the plan.
Trying to tell you. Yeah, man. So y'all see, man, I got a whole lot of work cut out for me, man, when I come back over here, man, because it's a whole lot of cars. Some of them ain't here. You know what I'm saying? So
some ain't been bought yet.
Some of them ain't been bought yet. So I got a whole bunch of work for me, man, cut out when I come back over here, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. I told y'all, man, I'm doing these daily vlogs. Y'all don't never know what y'all gonna see, man. I ain't gonna tell y'all before the video what it is. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna have to wait so y'all can see what it is. So you gotta stay tuned, man. Y'all gotta stay tuned. But on that note, man, I'm finna head back to the house, man. I had to come over, man, handle a little business for my dog. Finna head back to the house, man.
You did?
Man, you see what I'm saying? Real. Finna head to the house, man. I probably gotta cook. Nah, that old crazy stuff, so man, I hit y'all when I get to the house, man. Yo. What's going on, man? Hope y'all enjoying these daily vlogs so far, man. Kind of just chilling today. I ain't really doing too much. Just sitting at the house, editing for another video, man. Editing to post another video. I went ahead on. I caught whiff for this Dahmer, man. So I was watching it. It was hard, you know what I'm saying? Not hard like cool, but like hard to watch, cause it's like, for real, like, I mean, I knew about it when I was younger, you know what I'm saying? Like everybody used to talk about it, and you know what I'm saying? My grandma, you know what I'm saying? Like, talk about the shit. So I knew about it, but I just didn't know like the extent of it. I just knew like, okay, yeah, he had dead people at his house. You know what I'm saying? Like, I knew it, but I didn't know like the extent of what he was doing. So this shit crazy. But yeah, now I'm about to watch this John Wayne Gacy. So I'm about to see what this is about. He was a serial killer too. So I'm gonna see what this right here about. Continue editing the video, so hopefully, man, we can get some footage today or something. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, make it a thing. But I'm finna watch this right now though and edit a video, get ready for it to go up today. And yeah, eat my sandwich and my chips, man. You know what I'm saying? Get ready for baby to come home, I guess. See what she got going on. Woo. Man, hey. Man, I watched that Dahmer, and I watched John Wayne Gacy. I watched them documentaries today, man. And yeah. I'm over here, man. Drinking Patron out of my coffee cup. You know what I mean? Yeah, see. Patron in there, man. Uploading videos. Yeah, I'm chilling. I ain't do a whole lot. I ain't gonna say I ain't do a whole lot. I didn't do nothing today. I did nothing. Nothing at all. My dog Memphis Mike came through, had a shot with me. My dog Damien came through, had a shot with me. Other than that, I ain't do nothing. Absolutely nothing. So tomorrow I might get out tomorrow and do some things. Ace just told me he wanna go outside tomorrow. He need a new jacket. He need his jacket too small, so probably have to go and scoop him up a jacket or something, man. But other than that, I don't even know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Like I'm really just chilling. You know what I'm saying? Like if I ain't moving around already, like I ain't gonna do nothing. Yeah, I ain't gonna do too much. I'm just, you know what I'm saying? Like it be what it be. So, yeah, I guess I'm gonna add this video in with tomorrow, I guess, cause like I said, I ain't do nothing today. So I guess I'm gonna add this video in with tomorrow, and we're gonna try to get something done as far as footage. Who knows what tomorrow might bring? You know what I'm saying? Tomorrow might bring some real footage, man. It might bring some real activity. So I'm about to upload this video. I'm about to edit another one. Then I'm gonna lay it down. So I'll see y'all tomorrow, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Stay tapped in. With your dog. You know what I'm saying? With your dog.